So I have been a huge fan of Gua Sha for quite some time. So you guys, if you watch me a lot, you already know this. I have had a few jade, a few stone ones, but I finally graduated to the metal one, and I just got a brand new set. This is a sponsored item that I'm gonna review for you. It comes with the oil to put in your face, with the droplet, as well as the Gua Sha itself. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the oil first. A really slick and nice bottle with the droplet. You want to put enough on your face for the Gua Sha to really slide. I'm just gonna do my cheekbones. I want to show you the huge difference it makes when you work with your Gua Sha on just one side. So I like to get my smile line in there. So now that I've done 10 of them on one side, check out how it instantly lifts my cheekbone. This one's kind of just there, and this one is very lifted. It is normal to be a little bit red after using your Gua Sha. If you're using correctly, in fact, you will be red. The very important thing about the Gua Sha is to wash it really well. I actually spray alcohol on mine and then wipe it dry, but don't forget to wash it because that will lead to breakouts on your face if you're using a dirty tube. So now this side of my face is done. It is a little red, but also see how straight the lines are and still how not so much on this side. This is a great product. I highly recommend it, and this is all you need to know.